Friends, running kimono here. She went to CVS? What? Yes. Okay, so this is just a little midweek haul. I did the paper deal I really wanted to do over at Walgreens, and I went to CVS as well, and I also went to Costco, and I have some Christmas stuff. If you're a Costco shopper, I'll leave that at the very end. There is no Rite Aid this week. It's kind of a slower week, and I just had to manage my time a little better, so no Rite Aid. So sorry, guys. The first store that we have is Walgreens, and yesterday I made a video about this free axe deal to get 4 of the body washes and 1 St. Ives, and it's basically for free. If you have a booster, it's even better, but just looking at the math, it's really working out well, and a lot of you went out and did the deal with success. And if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, and this is what we were speculating, would they extend the deadline, because the deadline on Tuesday the 11th was the deadline. But if you look at the fine print, it's now extended to the 12th of October, which is today. So if you want to pursue this video, I'll link it at the very end, and I explain everything over there. A lot of you had success, and if you missed it, and if you could line it up today, I would do it ASAP, because there's nothing better than 5 free body washes. Last piece of info I want to talk about before we dive into the deals is the Aveeno deal I did last week. A lot of us still haven't received our $10. It's either an Amazon gift card or $10 via PayPal. I have also not received it. I've emailed them twice. This is the email I'm using, and I've tried to resubmit it now once, and it says, wait, it's under review. So I've been under review now for about a week, so I'll have to wait and see. And even if I don't get it, I think my deal was like 47 cents for like 2 body washes and a lotion. I'll just call it as a loss. I don't want to have to hound these people anymore, because it's becoming a job for $10, and it's just not worth my time. But it's annoying. I wish they would be a little bit more equal for all shoppers. If they're going to offer a rebate, do so or don't do it. But this is a lot of messing around. I've messaged them, I think, like 2 or 3 times and submitted my receipt twice now. Kind of annoying. So the first deal we're going to talk about is to spend $30, get back a $10 register reward. As the word spend is in there, I would encourage you to use your debit card for the balance, because I know customer service would love to say, oh, it's a spend offer, that's why you're not getting your register reward. And they've been doing it for the last couple of months. They've been less friendly over there too, I've noticed. So what you can grab for this little dealio, guys, is you got to get 7 packages of either a mix and match, COTTONELLE, the Viva, and the Kleenex. For whatever reason, the 2 stores that I visited, the Viva was like missing. Everybody and their brother bought the Viva. So I got 4 COTTONELLES and 3 of these Kleenexes. And this is a very good stock up price as well for Kleenex. And just to show you the tag again, because I know a lot of you want to read the tag verbatim, and the word spend is in there. So I would absolutely, for the balance, use your debit card. Because there's only so many ways you can finesse a deal, and they seem to really love to say no to everything right now. Digitally, for the Kleenex, we have a 2 off of 2. So please make sure you have this loaded. I think this coupon, you could load it a couple weeks back. So there it is. And then we also have $1 off for another Kleenex. So we're going to be buying 3, and we have $3 off. Now, in last weekend's Smart Source, we had this dollar coupon. So we're going to clip 4 of them, and we're going to ask the cashier to scan all 4 bags of the COTTONELLE. So each coupon will attach at the register. Very important rule right there. So grabbing 3 Kleenexes for $14.97, 4 COTTONELLES for $19.96, for a total of $34.93. I had the 2 and the $1 Kleenexes coming off right there, along with the dollars from the October 9th Smart Source for the COTTONELLE, so $4 off right there. With my debit card, I paid $27.93, got back a $10 register reward, and 350 points from the Fetch Rewards app. Hey, that's nothing to sneeze at. So it's like $17.93 for the 7 products, or $2.56 per. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it will mess up the spend offer. If you have a booster to throw into the mix, by all means go for it, guys. It would make the deal even better. And then over on the Fetch Rewards app, as I think it's Kimberly-Clark, which is the Scott parent company, is part of their catalog. I got back like 350 extra points. Plus, they have this little Vegas thing of like claim your reward. I think I got an extra 50 cents over on the Fetch Rewards app. How fun is that? One last thing I want to talk about this paper deal for a lot of people who are like, why didn't you just grab the Viva? It wasn't in stock at my store. And why did I get so much Cottonelle? Look at the size of these rolls. My husband goes through a lot of toilet paper, and a little 4-pack like this will last him a couple of weeks in his private toilet. But yeah, like they're sizable rolls, and this is not the worst deal. Did 2 deals back to back, and I did this deal secondly, which is on the Swiffer. It's a little wet and dry kit, so you get the hook, you get the pads, everything to do your own Swiffer at home. So this is $16.99. There is a $5 rebate that you can go through P&G Good every day if you buy $20 after coupons of these products, but that site has not been working for me either. It seems like every rebate site I'm having issues with. But yeah, you'd need $20 after coupons, but I'm just going to pass on that. I did have this 20% off that I got earlier in the week. It's 20% off of any regular priced item. And at $16.99, that's a regular priced item for that Swiffer kit. So I was like, oh, this is kind of interesting. We also have a $3.25 digital coupon that's attaching to said product. So there's a little bit of extra savings here. So just looking at the math for this guy, the Swiffer kit is $16.99. That 20% off coupon will take off $3.40 plus the $3.25 digital. Plus I also threw in a $10 register reward. So I paid 34 cents plus tax for this Swiffer kit. And this will make a really, really nice part of a Christmas gift if you like to gift from your stockpile or just to have it around as an extra one. So I'm really delighted with this deal. And that's why I don't have the $10 register reward to show you guys. I used it right away. I didn't even have time to take a picture. It was so quick. You can also alternatively use $10 in Walgreens cash if you want to do it that way. CVS. So I never shop at this store because the closest CVS is like 2-3 hours away from me. But I got this $3 of extra care rewards if I would go shopping in there. And I think I have up to a week because my birthday was earlier in the week. So I was like, you know what? I'm actually in town. I'm going to try to go to a CVS and see what I can do. So this was the haul that I got with that little $3 extra care buck. I got one of their Total Home paper towels. We go through a ton of paper towel here. And then a travel size Listerine for my husband. So 2 little items, and even if you don't shop on the regular at CVS, maybe get a store card to get this birthday reward. So the paper towel is $3.29, and I was just in there looking for something quick. I didn't really want to be in there too long, so got the cashier to scan my store card and the $3 of extra care bucks that I had and made it 29 cents. And then out of the machine at the bottom of my receipt was another $4 of extra care bucks or whatever it's called. So this was $5.59. So I'd pay $1.59 for that. And I was like, oh, that's kind of rich. But then I thought to myself, like, you know, I'm going to check the smaller Listerines because my husband likes these to travel with. This was $4.19. So with this, it was 19 cents. So not the worst little deal. I'm very happy to get $7 of merch for 50 cents in celebration of my birthday. So loving that. The last store that we have is Costco, and again, a store that I don't go to regularly, but I do love Christmas stuff, and I like looking for very special Christmas gifts. The first one are these, they're called moon cookies, so it's like an egg cookie with either red bean paste or like some lotus filling, which is a flour. I bought this in September for my mom for $6.97. Now it's down to $2.97, so $4 of savings. It's not selling very well, I'm assuming. And I did look at the expiry date on it because I'm one of those people that's always checking the expiry dates. And it's like expiring at the end of January. So I think that's why they're trying to move this, and they probably have a lot in this warehouse. But this is what the cookie looks like. They're kind of more of a hearty, beefier cookie, and then they're filled with either like a red bean paste or like a lotus, which is very common. So, I mean, just definitely, if this is something you want to try, you're getting like almost 2 pounds of cookies for $2.97, which is a really great value. Maybe a really nice Christmas gift. The Pocky, which is another little like cookie with some frosting in it, like hardened frosting. The original price for this is $8.99. This is a little treat my mom likes once in a while. So $3 of instant savings, dropping this down to $15.99, and you're getting 12 Pockies for $6. So that is a really, really good price point. The next little Christmas find, well, this was a gift to me for $13.99, 240 English tea It's like an English breakfast tea. And I actually had some of this yesterday and it's really, really good. So if you have somebody in your life, like a grandparent or somebody who has the same taste as me, who likes very plain teas, this is really, really fantastic. And 240 for that price point, you know, who wouldn't be happy with this? And the container is super uber cute too. It's a tin container. Most of this Christmas stuff is in tin, like those moon cookies as well. So I finally did pull the trigger on this and bought this vintage press. It's a holiday soap collection. Look for this where they have the body wash, lotions, and potions in your Costco warehouse. It's $11.99. And even though I get hand soap for free, I was just like mesmerized by this vintage press soap collection. So I got that as well. And sometimes I just can't control myself. But for $19.99, 12 of the Burt's Bees lip balms. I did not buy this because I found a bunch on clearance at Meijer a couple weeks back. But a really nice, like, wouldn't that make the nicest stocking stuffer for somebody? I mean, I love looking at warehouses for Christmas stuff. And then also the EOS, all of this looks like magic. And I believe it was a similar price. It was either $16 or $19.99 for these packs. So, so cute. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.